Hi guys, 안녕. I'm back. It's been over a month since the last video because I moved into a new house and I'm not even sure if you can tell the difference because apartments in Korea all sort of tend to look the same. Anyway, so today I'm going to do a really easy fried rice or bokkeumbap recipe using shrimp. So let's get cooking. I'm going to make my fried rice using cocktail shrimps, but you can totally do this with beef, chicken, sausages, ham, whatever you like. First, leave the shrimp to thaw at room temperature. Then rinse the shrimp in cold water to get rid of any impurities and drain. Slice the green onion stalk to form small rings. In a small bowl, crack 2 eggs and whisk. I like to whisk my eggs using chopsticks. Now the fun part begins. Add oil to a pan and warm. Next, add the green onions and stir fry until you can smell the aroma rise. Next, add the shrimp and stir fry for another minute. Some people suggest that you add soju to the shrimp, but it's totally not necessary unless you intend to drink the soju yourself. Next, push the green onions and shrimp to one side. Add the egg mixture and scramble. Then combine the eggs, green onions and shrimp. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to the corner of the pan, and when it begins to boil, combine it with the other ingredients. Boiling the soy sauce enhances the flavor. Now add the rice and continue to stir fry. This smells so good. Chinese restaurants in Korea almost always serve bokkeumbap with jjajang or black bean sauce. And if you want the recipe for my jjajang sauce, well, that's another video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Bye! 다음에 또 만나요.